Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making maple pumpkin spice baked donuts. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Add 113 grams of melted butter, 113 grams of cane sugar, 57 grams of dark brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to a large mixing bowl. Mix on low with a hand mixer to combine these ingredients. While I'm using my hand mixer here, you guys could also use your stand mixer if you prefer, or you could also use a bowl with a spatula. This recipe is super flexible. Next, we're going to add in the wet ingredients. First, 2 large eggs, then 113 grams of pumpkin puree, a quarter cup of heavy whipping cream, and then last 57 grams of sour cream. It helps to have these ingredients at room temperature. Then we're going to mix on low until combined. Last, we're adding in our dry ingredients: 170 grams of cake flour, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix on low with your hand mixer until you have a smooth batter. Transfer the batter to a piping bag. My favorite way to do this is to use a milkshake cup so it's easy to fill. Spray 2 donut pans with olive oil cooking spray. This really helps release them well. Then pipe batter into the donut pans. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a large zip bag, or you can also just spoon the batter into the pans as well. Bake at 400 degrees for 10 to 14 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. While the donuts are cooling, make the icing. In a large mixing bowl, add in 284 grams of sifted powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Whisk together until combined into a smooth glaze. Using a butter knife, frost the donuts with the glaze and then sprinkle the tops with the chopped pecans. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more fall recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.